Hello, it's Paul, and I've just got a whole bunch of stuff in from my order in the direction that I want to go in with my new hobby. I would really like to restore mechanical watches. After watching videos for well over a year, probably 2 years, I've kind of taken the dive. So I ordered a bunch of things for me to practice with. So I just want to do a little bit of unboxing. This is, of course, not a recommendation because I've never used any of this stuff. But to start with, I'm going to use the Boya Mini 2 mic. It's an LAV mic, which means it's a lapel mic. It's on the charger right now. I wanted to get this done before I had it charged while the house is quiet, so we can move on. So the first thing that I got was a desk covering, which is way too large. So I'll be ordering the smaller version of this. It's 60 centimeters by 45 centimeters, which is approximately 16 by 24 inches, which is quite big. And it won't work well on the desk that I have, so I gotta find a smaller one. So I have the LAV mic, I have the desk cover. So let's kind of get into some of the stuff we've got. I got a whole bunch of these felt-tipped electronic, basically Q-tips for cleaning. I got 150 finger cots. This is a set of hand levers and things to pull hands off watches. I don't know if I'm going to use that quite yet, but I don't even have a watch movement that I'm going to play with, so we're getting there. These are two watch face or watch dial suspending cases, so the watch dial is not touching any of the outside. What is this? Oh, case knives. So I've got a few different kinds of case knives. What do we got in here? We've got the regular case knife. We've got, looks like a pry bar, a little curve on the end. Let me break this out and it's heavy. Now these came in a kit for really cheap. I got them off of Amazon. They were really inexpensive. So it's kind of like the, let me get this out of my hand. If you can see that, it's got a little curve on it. It's like a pry bar, so a larger version of the hand pullers. And then looks like a spade type of, yeah. So these are some of the things I got there. What else do we have? This is the if I can get it open. You know, the very next thing in the box is a knife. So let's open that first. Does it pop through? There we go. This is kind of a neat utility knife. I saw it, one of my clients had it, and it just comes out of the tip. So there's 3 settings on how to bring that out, and it locks into place. So kind of nice. This, I think, is a spring bar tool. Indeed it is. And it sounds like there's spring bars in here. Yeah, we've got a lot of spring bars that came with this one. piece of paper and the instructions. And in here we have one tool, two tools, and a very small one. And it's some replacements for this one. And the last thing we got was a small screwdriver sharpener. This is so that we can take the screwdrivers that we're going to get and conform them to the watch faces that we're going, or the watches, the movements that we're going to use. And we do that by using a tool like this and a stone. Now I have a whole bunch of stones, so I didn't order one of those, but we can order them if I feel it's necessary. The last thing that I got on this wonderful day is a SwanSoft multifunction time grapher. So if you've ever seen any of the programs about redoing watches, which I assume you have if you're here, the time grapher is a device which is very stuck, which allows you to figure out how well a mechanical watch is moving. It's basically a microphone, and it's in a whole bunch of pieces, so I'm not going to take it out right at this moment. So there's power cord and all that kind of stuff in this box if you want to see. And I'll be using that because I've also ordered a brand new movement because I'm taking a course in watchmaking. So I will keep a spreadsheet of all of the costs of everything, and that'll let me know kind of how much this hobby is costing. My grand hope in this case is that it will cost me a bit to get into, but fairly soon, and I'm talking 1 or 2 years, I should be able to take other movements, buy them for that aren't working from either local pawn shops or whatever, or garage sales, find watches that don't work, mechanical watches that don't work, and hopefully be able to build my skill enough so that I can fix them and then turn around and sell them. I hope that's a good plan anyway. Well, we'll see. Thanks for coming.